mga ate ko, and I am in Amsterdam right now, so get dressed. No, get ready with me. Actually, it's 12:31 a.m. I'm not gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna do my skincare. Realize ko kasi hindi ako masyado nakapag-chika get ready with me while I was in Europe kasi tuloy-tuloy talaga yung mga lakad ko and yung mga plans. Pero when I was about to do my skincare, I was so sad because I realized I left my facial wash in our Paris Airbnb. So wala akong facial wash. Nang hiram na lang ako. Pero yung gamit ko na facial wash pa rin and yung dala ko sa trip na to is yung sa Lux Organics na whitening repair, yung color gray. I'll just insert a picture. And pa rin yung gamit ko kasi ang gentle niya on the skin. Tapos nakakatanggal talaga siya ng mga dirt. Diba nga, I've been traveling. So talagang my face is exposed. Ganon. Toner, nang hihingalo na rin yung toner ko. This is from Lux Organics also. This is your whitening repair. Super love ko to. As in halata naman. Di ko na alam pang ilang bottle ko to. Nakatanggal kasi siya ng excess dirt. Like, look at that. Very gentle siya on the skin. Plus nakaka-help siya sa dark spots ko. And ayan, may namumuo na naman. Of course, for serum, ito pa rin. Hindi ko na rin alam ilang bote yung naubos kong ganito. If you haven't tried this serum pero you're also struggling with dark spots or like acne marks, you might want to give this a try kasi napansin ko talaga nakaka-help siya mag-lighten. And then why I brought this serum with me is because diba nga, I came from Lapland. So sobrang lamig as in hanggang negative 23 degrees yung weather doon. Not gonna lie, nag-dry talaga yung skin ko kaya gamit ko yung serum pati yung moisturizer na to para talagang ma-alleviate pero maka-help siya sa cracking ng skin. Ay, ang dami namang alikabok. Anyway, speaking of moisturizer, this has been my best friend throughout the trip. Kailang bottle na rin ako nito. Alam nyo yan if you guys watch my videos. But this moisturizer is so good kasi hindi siya mabigat. It's super lightweight sa skin pero it still hydrates and moisturizes my skin, especially now that it's winter. Feeling ko dahil sa dalawang to, yung serum and yung moisturizer, naka-help talaga siya ma-lessen yon. In case gusto nyo malaman yung sunscreen na gamit ko, yes, nagsa-sunscreen pero ako kahit winter, kahit walang araw halos dito. Also yung dala ko, this is also from Lux Organics. This is the Perfecting UV Tint. So it's basically their tinted sunscreen. Minsan tamad na ako mag-base because again, ang lamig. And ito na lang din gamit ko minsan as a base since it is a tinted sunscreen. So I get sun protection na nga, but then may even out niya yung skin tone ko. Sabi dito, this has SPF 100+, PA quadruple plus. I'm not 100% sure kung talagang SPF 100, but for me, basta may SPF, it already does the job. Super lightweight din to, by the way, as in. Tapos nag-a-adapt siya sa color ng skin tone mo. Kung gusto ko sa dito, tingnan nyo, once you blend it out, parang ang healthy, ang glowing lang ng skin. Kaya ang ganda din niya as a base. Anyway, ayun naman ang aking skincare routine this winter season. Wow, sobrang OA ng winter season, sister. This video is just so random. I just wanted to film it because I would get DMs on IG, pati comments na kung ano ba yung skincare ko, lalo na pag malamig. Also, gamitin ko moment to appreciate the bathroom. Sobrang cute. Matutulog na ako. Bye! Love, love!